If you like money, if you want money, there's nothing more important. It's the future of money. Me defining money as long-term store of value. Every day is a good day to buy Bitcoin. We look at it as cyber Manhattan. I would have bought Manhattan 100 years ago, 200 years ago, every year for the past 300 years.
Is MicroStrategy a smart investment or just a wild Bitcoin gamble? Now today we're diving into the history of this fascinating company, from its early days in data analytics to its bold pivot into cryptocurrency. We'll break down its stock performance, its Bitcoin strategy, and whether it's worth your hard-earned dollars. Let's get started. MicroStrategy was founded in 1989 by Michael Saylor and Sanju Bansal, two MIT grads who saw the future in data-driven decision-making. Back then, businesses were swimming in data, but didn't have the tools to make sense of it. Enter MicroStrategy. With its innovative business intelligence software, they help companies turn raw data into actionable insights. Basically, a crystal ball for CEOs. By 1998, MicroStrategy went public with shares priced at $12 each. The company grew rapidly during the late 90s, riding the wave of the dot-com boom. Their stock hit almost $3,000 per share in early 2000, becoming one of the darlings of the market. But the good times didn't last. The dot-com bubble burst in 2000, and MicroStrategy's stock took a massive hit, dropping to single digits. Adding fuel to the fire, the company faced an SEC investigation for accounting irregularities. Saylor and his team took the lesson seriously, refocusing the business on its core strength, enterprise software. Over the next 2 decades, MicroStrategy became a reliable, if not flashy, player in the world of business analytics. Fast forward to 2020, Michael Saylor, still at the helm, made a game-changing decision to pivot MicroStrategy's cash reserves into Bitcoin. Saylor believed the US dollar was losing purchasing power due to inflation and saw Bitcoin as digital gold. The company started buying Bitcoin, a lot of it. By 2021, MicroStrategy had spent billions, amassing over 150,000 Bitcoins. This wasn't just a side investment. It became part of their core strategy. Saylor even called Bitcoin the best reserve asset in the world and doubled down by issuing debt to buy more. This bold move turned MicroStrategy into a de facto Bitcoin ETF, with its stock price closely tracking Bitcoin's ups and downs. The Bitcoin strategy initially sent MicroStrategy stock soaring. Shares climbed from under $150 in early 2020 to over $1,200 in February 2021 as Bitcoin hit record highs. Investors flooded in, seeing MicroStrategy as a proxy for crypto exposure. But here's the thing. Bitcoin's volatility made MicroStrategy just as unpredictable. When Bitcoin dropped, so did the stock. In 2022, Bitcoin's value plummeted, and MicroStrategy followed suit, trading as low as $132 per share. Today, MicroStrategy is both a business intelligence company and a Bitcoin mega holder. Michael Saylor has stepped down as CEO to focus exclusively on Bitcoin strategy, while the company continues to operate its software business. Their Bitcoin holdings are currently worth billions, but the company remains highly leveraged, with much of its Bitcoin purchases funded through loans and debt. The stock price hovers between $300 to $400 right now. So, is MicroStrategy a good investment? That depends on your risk tolerance. If Bitcoin skyrockets, MicroStrategy could see significant gains, potentially outperforming Bitcoin itself because of its leveraged position. But if Bitcoin struggles or regulatory changes disrupt the crypto market, MicroStrategy's stock could take a serious hit. Its business intelligence segment, while solid, isn't driving much growth compared to its crypto exposure. In short, MicroStrategy is not just a stock. It's a high-stakes Bitcoin bet with a side of software. MicroStrategy's story is one of transformation, risk, and bold vision. Whether you see them as visionary pioneers or reckless gamblers, there's no denying they've redefined what a tech company can do. And before investing, make sure you're comfortable with the wild ride that comes with Bitcoin. And remember, diversification is key. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more stock insights, and drop a comment below. Is MicroStrategy a buy, sell, or avoid for you? Let us know.